Jason?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're at the range today with Silencer Co.
Yeah.
and Dakota Tactical. Their collaboration gun. This thing is badass.
Oh, that's wild. Wow.
Fucking sweet. So, 248 shooter today here with Silencer Co. And we're looking at the Silencer Co. Hybrid.
This guy is rated for all your 45 ACPs, your 10 mils, 9 mils. You want to run on a pistol, you run a pistol all day long. It runs a standard piston just like our Osprey and Octane. You can still run your 3-lug if you want. You can run a direct thread if you want as well. If you want to turn around and run it on a long gun, you can easily do that. So your 5.56, your 7.62 guns all day. Your Magnum calibers all the way up to your 338 Ford Magnums, 4570 and 458 SOCOM. So it's rated for all those and hearing safe for 4570 and 458 SOCOMs.
All out of one single suppressor.
One single cannon. It's got a full auto rating as well.
What's the MSRP on this?
$9.99. So
It's a hell of a deal for somebody that's looking to get into suppressors.
yeah. This guy's ideal for those guys who want what they can to get themselves started with either a pistol or a long gun, and they're not really familiar with anything. This does basically everything they're going to want in one package. If they already own multiple Silencer Co. cans, this guy is compatible with our ASR mounts. It is compatible with all our pistol accessories as well. So try to shave off a couple bucks at the end of the day running accessories for those guys who are already own some of our products. So it makes it a lot easier for them.
Shoots like a dream.